Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Today I will be discussing on that what is goal and what is wish. A goal without plan is just a wish. It is just on a paper or in the mind. So what a goal require to become a reality? It is said that if we write down the goal, it becomes a plan. And when we break the plan into various steps and take action, then it becomes a reality. All achievers, because a goal, nothing comes free in this world. So if we want to achieve a specific goal, we should write it down. We should quantify it, what we want. And it should be time bound. And what we will be giving in return for it. I would like, the viewers to see the Google platform and see the goal of Bruce Lee. He wrote down a goal that he will be the best paid performer and wrote down the timeline, and he said in the return, he will be giving the best of the performance. Similar way, when we want to achieve our goal, Edwin Locke has specified that goals should be written down. We should identify the best time. In my view, the goal should be made public. Because once, my goal is to be Prime Minister of this country, great India. I have written it down. Every day I put it in my affirmation. And I have laid down what plan, the preparation, 28 states, 8 union territories, what they need, what are their finances, what resources, how they can, then, about our districts, 600 plus districts, what they need and how they can be made most developed districts. What are the various policies? What are the various laws? So I can guarantee you that once we make a written goal and we break down the goal into the plan and take actions, every goal will be reality. When we think about what we can achieve, we should not put any boundary. People, those who have invented all these inventions, first they have taken place in the mind and then in the reality. So friend, keep on making larger goals. Without goals, we don't enjoy life. So goal is a spice and goal should be very big. It should take our whole life to achieve the goal. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel. Do let me know on what topic you would like to have the videos. Thank you.